Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in our Power BI, so last video I have covered as mainly visualizing the data. So for visualizing the data, mainly three questions. That is, the three questions are mainly what type of data are you working with, and what do you want to communicate, who is the end user, and what do they need. So these points, so we have covered as the last video, and uh, so we have mainly discussed about with who is the end user called as analyst, manager, and executive. So this part is done. Okay. So now in this video, I have to go with discuss about with the benefits of analytics dashboards. So what are all the benefits of analytic dashboards called as mainly to go with centralized view. So this centralized view called as mainly combine the data from multiple sources. So uh, multiple sources called as, so we are using data sources as multiple ways. So to create a full picture of business performance. So that is a centralized view. And data at a glance. So data at a glance called as mainly the visual formats like charts, so make it easy to track trends and spot issues. So these are all the data at a glance. And enhanced decision making. So this enhanced decision making called as mainly to provide with the real time insights that enable data driven decisions and strategic actions. So that is the one of the benefit for using this analytic dashboards. And finally, customizable. So this customizable called as mainly dashboards can be adjusted for different roles from analysts to executives. So ensuring each user gets the insights they need. So for example, the scenario called as, so example scenario, we are using with AdventureWorks data. So a sales dashboard could consolidate. So sales dashboard is mainly, we have the data called as 3 years data, 2022 to track overall all the revenue growth. So for product and territory lookup data, to compare the product performance by region, and to return the data to analyze the rate of returns and identify the problematic products. So and time series data also. So for time series data, to observe the trends in customer behavior across different seasons. So this dashboard would enable to executives to track key KPIs like total revenue, returns ratio, and territorial sales growth. So by providing this to managers and analysts with more detailed insights for deeper analysis. So dashboards are the vital role, like the vital tool for different roles. So streamlining both high-level strategy and granular analysis. So ensuring better data-driven decisions across the organization. Coming to dashboard design framework. So how we'll design the dashboard framework? So this dashboard framework is mainly a well-designed dashboard serves a specific purpose, like tailored to its audience, utilizes effective metrics and visuals. So what is the main purpose? So the purpose are mainly is your dashboard for monitoring, reporting, or decision making. So tailor your visuals to the goals. Okay. So that is the define the purpose and choose the right metrics. So right metrics called as pick the KPIs. So key performance indicators that align with user needs and focus on actionable insights. That is the main thing. And present the data effectively. So present the data present the data effectively called as, so use the right visuals like bar charts, pie charts, etc. So that make data is easy to understand quickly. So that way we have to present the data effectively and eliminate the clutter and noise. So this eliminate the clutter called as mainly keep the design simple by only including the relevant metrics and visuals. So with minimal way. So uh, keep it, the design is very simple way and only including the relevant metrics. Next, use the layout to focus attention. So focus the attention called as mainly to organize the content logically, guiding the user's eye to the most important data first. Okay, so that is the way we can go with the use layout to focus attention. And finally, to tell a clear story. So this story is to narrate the clear story. So uh, so example, will take as the example called as mainly, for example, the scenario. Imagine using the sales data like from 2020 to 2022. An executive might use the dashboard showing one is the KPI codes for revenue and profit margins. And second thing, a line chart tracking revenue growth. Okay. And meanwhile, a manager could drill down into regional performance or product categories using a stacked bar chart. So this way we can narrate the story like meaningful insights. And what are all the key questions to consider during the design? So the key questions called as mainly who are the end users of your dashboard. Okay. So these end user dashboards are mainly who are the end users. And so mainly, so based on who are the end users of your dashboard called as understanding your audience. So audience will guide the choice of metric and design. Okay. So this way, so first you have to understand your audience will guide the choice of metrics and design. So that way we can go with the end users of your dashboard. And the next thing is, so what are the key business goals and objectives? So the main key business goals and objectives called as aligning the dashboard with these goals will ensure it is relevant and actionable. And what are the most important questions they need to answer? So mainly focus on providing the insights that help the users answers their most pressing questions. And how can I present information as clearly as possible? So aim for clarity in visuals and metrics to facilitate quick understanding and decision making process. So that way we'll we will go with the so for better way to design with the your dashboard. And philosophy of dashboard design. So this philosophy of dashboard design is mainly the perfection is achieved not when there is nothing more to add. So but when there is nothing left to take away. So mainly here so the principles. So the principle emphasizes the importance of simplicity in design. Okay. Next, so for example is so example of applying the framework. So scenario is designing a sales dashboard for the AdventureWorks dataset. So what is the purpose? So the purpose is mainly to monitor sales performance across products and territories and choose the right metrics. So the right metrics called as mainly the KPIs. So total sales revenue, sales growth percentage, return rates by product, uh, and customer acquisition numbers. So this way we have to give the right metrics and present the data effectively. So how we can present the data effectively called as use a line chart for sales growth over time. So data effectively we have to present called as so whatever the numbers or any sales growth we have to represent as a line chart and a bar chart to compare sales across different product categories. So that is the bar chart is very easy to understand with different product category sales and heat map to return the rates by region. So that way we have to do and eliminate the clutter and noise. So this eliminate the clutter and noise called as mainly avoid the excessive visuals. Okay. So avoid the excessive visuals, focus on 4 to 5 key metrics. So that way we have to do and use layout to focus attention. So use the layout to focus attention called as mainly place the total sales revenue at the top center, followed by growth percentage and relevant charts below. Next, we had to tell with the clear story. So this clear story called as mainly include annotations or callouts to highlight significant changes or trends in sales data. So this way we have to present. And interactive features. So this interactive features called as mainly we have to say as highlight the importance of uh, one moment. So interactive features are mainly so these interactive features means so while dashboard design framework, so few additional aspects you could include. So that these additional aspects are the mainly interactive features, data refresh and real-time updates. Okay. So one moment, these interactive features, data refresh and real-time updates, consistency, design, mobile optimization, so data accuracy and validation. So these points we have to consider as a additional aspects. So in these additional aspects, interactive features called as mainly highlight the importance of including interactive elements like filters or drill down options. Okay. So example will take us by time period or region or product category. So these are all the examples. So in different level of detail. Next, data refresh and real-time updates called as mainly to emphasize the significance of real-time or frequent data updates in dashboards. So frequent data updates are decision making, or in the especially for tracking the KPIs. So these are the main updates we had to check. And next, consistency in design. So for consistency in design is mainly mention the need for consistency in fonts, colors, and layout to maintain the clarity. So, and you can touch on the color psychology to convey the right tone. Example for red for alerts, green for growth, etc. And mobile optimization. So for mobile optimization is, so with mobile devices being a common tool, so it's a crucial to design with dashboards that are mobile responsive or accessible on smaller screens. Next, data accuracy and validation part. So this data accuracy and data validation is mainly stress the importance of ensuring data accuracy and validation process. So a good dashboard should reflect the most accurate and trustworthy data and informed decision-making process. Next, user testing and feedback. So for user testing and feedback is mainly to recommend involving the users like executives or managers, etc. So in testing the dashboard. So before publishing, we had to test. So gathering the feedback ensures the dashboard meets their needs and can reveal the overlooked insights. And accessibility. So this accessibility is mainly consider accessibility such as adding tooltips for complex data points. So ensuring the charts are readable and providing alternate text for visuals to make the dashboards usable for a broader audience. So that way we have to design a good dashboard and better, what we say, better dashboard design we have to do. Okay. So this is called as a dashboard design part. So for next video, we have to go with how to create with the sketching and dashboard with the layout and adding the report to pages and objects, naming and grouping the objects, and quads, multi-row quads. So these things we'll discuss. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content and share to your friends. So most of the members are seeing the video but not liking. So if you like the content, so it will reach to more members, and the video also promote to more members. So it will be benefit for the more members, and share to your friends also. Thank you. Thank you for watching.